Hello guys, today we're gonna see a comparison between Elementor versus WPBakery. Elementor and WPBakery are two of the most popular WordPress page builders, each with its strengths and weaknesses. When it comes to user interface, Elementor offers a highly intuitive drag-and-drop live editing interface, provides a real-time preview of changes as you build, and easy for beginners with a clean design. While WPBakery has a backend editor and a frontend editor, though the interface can feel cluttered and dated compared to Elementor, it has a live preview functionality that isn't as seamless. Elementor offers pixel-perfect design control, making it great for creating visually appealing pages. It provides a broader range of design options and customizations. While WPBakery has a decent design flexibility, but it has limited compared to Elementor. Advanced designs often require additional CSS tweaks. Elementor comes with a large library of pre-built templates and widgets, and it offers a third-party integration for additional templates and design elements, while WPBakery offers fewer templates and widgets compared to Elementor, and it relies more on external add-ons for expanding functionality. Elementor is lightweight but can sometimes slow down page load times if too many widgets and effects are used, while WPBakery is known to add bulk to pages, potentially affecting site speed, and it requires optimization for better performance. So, Elementor offers a free version available with basic features, and a pro version starts at $59 a year for advanced features, templates, and widgets. While WPBakery doesn't have a free version, it has a one-time payment starting at $64 for use on a single site. Elementor is excellent mobile responsiveness with device-specific settings and a clean code for better SEO, while WPBakery has decent responsiveness but requires more manual adjustments. More cluttered code can affect SEO. So, choose Elementor if you want a beginner-friendly modern interface with live editing, design flexibility, and creative control, and you're looking for a free version to start with. Or choose WPBakery if you're already signed using a theme that depends on it, you prefer a one-time payment model, and you're comfortable with its backend editing style. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.